Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Monday, July 22nd, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar weighted put call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on August, September, and October with 44, 25, and 15% of the total premiums paid. Very neutral day here today on the volatility index. Going to the charts, here we have daily chart for SPX up 3.44 handles for the day. New all-time high again. As you can see it here, very interesting, but very flat day. We'll see what happens from here. We're points away from the 1700. I believe that's going to be a given from here on. That's going to be the next target. Pretty close from here for the high was less than 3 handles today. Let's go to the Qs. The Qs today here up 0.3% for the day, making this is not the chart, wait. Coming back from the loss we had on Friday of about 1% because of Google and Microsoft, and we'll talk about those stocks in a minute. But here we have the Qs, and it's interesting to see how they're acting right now. They're coming back from the 1%. It didn't gain any momentum to the downside. I'm pretty neutral here on the market. We've been coming up very nicely. We've been bearish. I've been bearish for a couple of weeks now, and of course was been the wrong trade. And from here, it's pretty hard to continue being wrong, so I prefer to take a neutral standpoint to see when we're gonna start changing momentum. IWM pretty much the same. Maybe looking for 105 as the next target, but wouldn't chase it here either to the upside or play it to the downsides. Gold up 3% for the day. That was on the news of AAPL from Japan, and basically that more QE is coming to the world. That will boost inflation, but I'm bearish. This 50-day moving average is going to be a very nice position to enter a short, and we're pretty close to there. I would enter there with a $1 stop. That would be my bias on GLD. SLV, we're getting close to our 20 level, which is our entry to a short. You know that. From here, we're pretty close to this 50-day, which means we're probably going to test it. I would wait to get a short position established 100% around the 50-day moving average. So start around 20 with 50% and start adding as it goes higher. That's what I would do here on SLV. Let's go to Microsoft. Yesterday we talked about it. Friday, sorry. Down hard. You could see it here. Up almost 2%. Testing the 100-day moving average. That's going to be important to see what we do here. Low risk entry to the downside. I believe we're going to test the 200-day. We talked about it. Google. Very nice move to the upside. Very nice recovery. 1.6. We talked about going to new highs. I'm bullish here. Very nice trade on Google here so far. To the upside. Tomorrow we have Apple. We're going to get those very important number. I'm not going to say here if I'm bullish or bearish. If you want that, you could come into a chat room to get a trade. And last, what else we got today? Today we had Netflix. Earnings coming out. I was bullish on Netflix. We are right now down 9 handles. We were down around 30 points at a given moment, but we were able. We'll see if we rally tomorrow and how we take that. Maybe looking pretty close like Google. That's it for today.